Hello children, I am Miss Angeline and today I am going to teach you GK lessons 21, 22 and 24. So let's first begin with lesson 21, that is musical tones. Children, on this page we can see varieties of musical instruments these musicians are playing. So what you have to do here? Name the following instruments these musicians are playing. So children, can you identify the name? Let me help you. First one is sarod. Then this is sitar. Then we have shehnai. Then drums. You all might have seen boys playing drums on the school functions, correct? Then children, we have pakhawaz. And the last one, can you guess? Yes, this is piano. Okay children? So, here we have help box and you can write words from this box and write the spellings correctly. Children, we all have learned names of musical instruments. Do you know there was a famous and great musician in Emperor Akbar's court? His music was said to be so powerful that it could light lamps. Isn't it interesting, children? So children, now let's go to lesson 22, spot the mistake. Now what you have to do here? Each of these sentences has a mistake. Circle it and rewrite the words. So children, what you have to do? In each sentence there is a mistake. You have to circle it and rewrite the word as I have done. So just let me help you. See the first one. Rahul's tooths are strong and bright. So where is the error? Tooths. Then in second number, a family of 4 mouses lived in a hole. So mistake is here. It will be mice. Then third number, only a little fruits are left in my fridge. So little will change into few. And the mistake is little, it will become few. Okay. Then come to fourth number, all the women's wore pretty dresses for the party. We don't say women's, it is women. Now let's go to fifth number. Karim's sheep are grazing in the pasture. We don't say sheeps. Sheep plural will be sheep, not sheeps. So here is the error. Then sixth number, there are many peoples in the restaurant. It will become people. Peoples will change into people. Then seventh number, the chef uses sharp knives to cut vegetables. Knives spelling is wrong. It is Knives, knives. Then eighth number, there is not many water in the jar. Now many is wrong. We don't say many water. It is much water in the jar. Okay. So children, you have circled all the mistakes and you have written the correct word. Now what you have to do? You have to rewrite the words inside these boxes given over here. Okay. Is that clear? So children, after completing lesson 22, we will go to lesson 24, and what is that? Seasons. Now what you have to do here? What is written here? We wear different clothes and other items during the summer, monsoon and winter seasons. Look at the items given below and write the correct letters S, M or W. S for summer, M for monsoon and W for winter. Okay. So what you have to do? Write the correct letters S, M or W in the boxes. One has been done for you. So what you have to do here, children, you have to identify these items. And you have to write the first letter of the season, like the first one. See here. You wear this windsheet in winter. So you will write W for winter. Okay. Then see this one. This is woolen cap. That also you wear in winter. So you will write W. So just like this, you have to identify the names of the seasons when you wear these items. Okay, children? Clear? Then on the last page, I have given a work. You have to write this work in your rough notebook. Okay, children? So do this work neatly, beautifully and complete your work on time. Okay, children? Take care.